Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the trained model is available in your Leonardo workspace or imported into the account. Once done, make sure you have your API key and project ID at hand, and pick the target image size like 1024 x 1024. Now open a new project, select that trained model as the active engine, and set the initial preset. You're not configuring everything yet. You're just ensuring the right model and environment are active before detailed tuning. You now configure how the model generates outputs, write precise prompts and complementary negative prompts, then set conditioning strength to control influence. Next, adjust sampler type, steps, CFG or scale, seed, and batch size so results are reproducible. Start with a low step count for previews. Once done, add embeddings, style presets, or reference images to bias the model. Run quick preview iterations, compare outputs, and incrementally increase fidelity until the visuals match your intent before committing to full renders. You finish by exporting the model version, weights, presets, and a set of sample outputs for reproducibility and backup. Once done, integrate the model through Leonardo's API or deploy it inside the workspace, then monitor usage, credit consumption, and latency. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by resetting the seed, lowering complexity or steps, and rechecking prompt wording and model pairing. Try a smaller resolution preview to isolate issues before large renders. Make adjustments and redeploy when.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.